Kuyintokozo ukukhuluma nawe kuyi-channel. Kama upastor ningi silethana kamaphupho ngokukhulula ukuyithoba. Wathokozele sicela ulike ke le video musuyibukile bese uyobheka namanye ama video eswenzile ngesikhathi sendlule nakhona ufika ulike ke leyo video. Lokho kuqinisekisa ukuthi wazi ukuthi kuyenzena kahle phela na i video le kuma algorithm ku YouTube. So siyacela ukuthi uqinisekise ukuthi musuyibukile uyalike ikakhulukazi manje ukuthi yakusiza ukuvula mhlawumbe umqondo ukucacisa ukulethela izimpendulo emibuzweni esukunayo. Sibheka la iphupho lika Sinazo Zondani ukuthi uphupho luka inwele kuchazani. So uphupho Uqhina noma Uqhinwa singathi thina into yokuqala ifuna sisho ukuthi uPaul ngaba luhle uma wenza istyle osithandayo nosithokozelayo lungasho ke ukunikwa amandla lingasho ukunikwa inhlakanipho ezokwenza uphumelele kokwenzayo. Yabo? Number 2, uma uPuqhina noma Uqhinwa uPaul ngasho ke ukukhathalela ubuhle bangaphandle noma lingasho ukuthi uyasihlupha uqinisekisa ukuthi uhlale ubukeka kahle kodwa uyehluleka ukunaka nokulungisa izenzo zakho nokwenza ukulunga phambi kaNkulunkulu. 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 3 do not let your adorning be externally, the braiding of hair and putting on of gold jewelry or the clothing you wear. Number 3, uma uphupha ke Uqhina futhi mabubu Uqhina kungabuye kube uphawu oluchaza mhlawumbe ukuthi umuntu oyiqajayo umuntu mhlawumbe oneqapho singasho nje umuntu uhlupho nesibindi futhi noma ononya nozama ukusebenzisa ubuhle ukuze mhlawumbe uthole uzwelo kwabanye abantu. Yabo? 2 Kings chapter 9 verse 30 when Jehu came to Jezreel, Jezebel heard of it, and she painted her eyes and adorned her head and looked out of the window. So we know ukuthi la kwenzakalani. uJezebel besenza izinto ezimbi eziningi, so kwafika isikhathi lakho nokufuna ukuthi enze njani uNkulunkulu alethe impindiselo, yabo, kuyena ke uJezebel. So uma sebona beza bezombulala, instead ukuthi abaleke wayelungisa inwele zakhe, shuthi wayecabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngobahle bamzwele bangahle bangambulala uma semuhle. So number 3, empele number 4, uma uphupha Uqhina futhi uPaul oluhle mhlawumbe empele nolubi olungasho mhlawumbe ukuthi kumele uqaphele ngeze kukhona umuntu mhlawumbe okwakhela uzungu futhi mhlawumbe ufuna ukukunqinda amandla ukuze akwazi ukukunqoba ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Judges 16 verse 13 Delilah then said to Samson, all this time you have been making a fool of me and lying to me. Tell me, how can you be tied? And he replied, if you weave the 7 braids of my head into the fabric on the loom and tighten it with pin, I will become as weak as any other man. So while he was sleeping, Delilah took the 7 braids of his head, wove them into fabric and tightened it with the pin. And again she called to him and said, Samson, the Philistines are up on you. He woke up from his sleep and pulled out the pin and the loom with the fabric. Number 5, asivale ngokuthi uphupho Uqhina noma ukuqhinwa ngisho kanje, uphupho Uqhinwa umuntu uPaul ngasho olungeluhle nolungasho ukuthi mhlawumbe kumele uqaphele ingxabano ongahlube nawo nalowo muntu roba nabanye abantu, noma ke ungahlube isisulu sokukhohliswa yilowo muntu osuke Uqhina noma abanye abantu esuke ubabonile beqhina lapha yana. Siyabonga kakhulu ke uNkulunkulu ekulonde, uNkulunkulu ubusise. Like le video, like namanye ama video, qinisekisa ukuthi video uma usubscribe ku channel uyabuya from time to time ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uthole impendulo yawo ekho ke i-channel ekwazi ukuletha impendulo njengale channel yeFlick. Ne number ke khona kwazi ukuthi ungifonele kodwa ngicela inamba isebenze only if and when it's necessary. Kuleka kuyo Jesu.